about you and your family, but we have 4 of us, including the kids who have long hair. So we go through hair elastics quite frequently, and I'm always trying to test out different brands and see how they are. So I got this 32 pack of black elastics from Amazon Basics to try out. I will show you, they do fit around a wrist, although it's snug. So I would say when they are fresh, I don't know if I would be wearing it around my wrist. They're great for my 9-year-old girls, like to wear them around their wrist though. And then as they stretch out as they do, then it's gonna fit around your wrist a little better. But just for example, around 2 times is like loose-ish on my hair. 3 times is nice and tight. These are really great. I think that they sell them in a variety of colors, but we just got the all black. Nice and stretchy. I don't know if they're glued together or what, but it's pretty good. We like to keep it on here, and I keep it in the hall closet so kids just pull them off one at a time, and when I find them lying around the house, I just put them right back on. So hopefully we will not lose all of these. The struggle is real, am I right? Anyway, these are great. Great bang for your buck too.